segment individually right there. It's a little bit stuck on C1. Keep moving down over here on about C4. So we're going to get 1 and 4. And just relax. Good. Good job. This next one, we're going to go for 4, 3, and 4 right there. Just drop your head. Perfect. And then quick. Good job.